Welcome to Video 5. Today we master variables and simple math, the building blocks of every Python program. In Python, variables are symbolic names that refer to values stored in memory. The main variables can be understood in two ways: by their data types, what kind of value they hold, and by their scope, where they can be accessed. Name equals symbol Ben is a string. Age equals symbol 41 is an integer. Height equals symbol 1, 82 is a float, meters. Paid equals symbol true is a boolean. Python is a dynamically typed language. This means that variable types are not explicitly declared and are determined at runtime by the Python interpreter based on the value assigned to the variable. Key characteristics of dynamic typing in Python. Type inference at runtime. When a variable is assigned a value, the interpreter automatically infers its type. For example, if you assign x equals symbol 20, Python infers x as an integer. If you then assign x equals symbol Python, x becomes a string. Flexibility in variable types. A single variable can hold values of different types throughout the program's execution. Type DE function for inspection. The built-in type x function can be used to determine the current type of a variable x. The interpreter reports a class name float, int, str, or bool, so you know exactly what you're holding. The provided examples demonstrate various arithmetic operators in Python and their respective functionalities. Addition adds two operands. Subtraction subtracts the second operand from the first. Multiplication multiplies two operands. True division performs floating point division, always returning a float. Floor division performs integer division, returning the largest integer less than or equal to the true division result, effectively discarding the fractional part. Modulus returns the remainder of the division of the first operand by the second. Exponentiation raises the first operand to the power of the second. Python mixes ints and floats inside f-strings without complaint. For example, wheels equals symbol 2, bike underscore price equals symbol 349.99. Print f wheels cost dollar symbol bike price. Will print 2 wheels cost 349.99. In Python, .2f is a format specifier used within string formatting to display a floating point number with exactly 2 decimal places. Here's a breakdown of its components and how it's used. This colon introduces the format specification. Point 2. This part specifies the precision, meaning the number of digits to display after the decimal point. In this case, it's 2, indicating 2 decimal places. F. This character indicates that the value being formatted should be treated as a floating point number. Python variables are reassignable, meaning their values can be changed after they are initially assigned. This reassignability also extends to changing the data type of the value a variable holds. Take a second to look at the example. In Python, the most common and Pythonic way to swap two variables in a single line is by using simultaneous assignment, which leverages tuple packing and unpacking. Right-hand side evaluation. Python first evaluates the expression on the right-hand side b, a. This creates a temporary tuple, 10, 5. Tuple unpacking. The elements of this temporary tuple are then unpacked and assigned to the variables on the left-hand side a, b in order. So a receives the value of b, which is 10, and b receives the value of a, which is 5. This method is concise, readable, and efficient, making it the preferred approach for swapping variables in Python. To perform scientific mathematical operations in Python, the built-in math module is typically used. This module provides access to a wide range of mathematical functions and constants. Type the below into your Hello Py file and run. Import math. Print math script 25. Print math py. The round and abs functions are built-in Python functions that are commonly used for numerical operations. Abs returns the absolute value of a number, and round rounds a number to a specified number of decimal places. PEP 8, the style guide for Python code, provides clear naming conventions to enhance code readability and consistency. Here are examples of these conventions. Functions and variables use snake underscore case, lowercase with words separated by underscores. Classes use camel case, Pascal case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized without underscores. Constants use all caps with underscores. Challenge. Ask for a bill amount and split it 4 ways. Show each share rounded to 2 decimals. Pause the video and try. One way you could have written the challenge is bill equals symbol float input bill total dollar symbol. Share equals symbol bill 4. Print if each person should pay dollar symbol share 2F. Recap, variables, dynamic types, math operators, math module, naming, rounding, and a real-world split bill challenge. Next up, user input and combining strings dynamically. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out.